Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan yogurt with coconut milk easy guide. Start by sanitizing jars and measuring ingredients precisely. Heat the coconut milk gently until warm, then whisk in your chosen starter or probiotic. Maintain a steady warm temperature for several hours to allow fermentation. Chill the yogurt to thicken and develop flavor. I will walk you through timing, texture adjustments, and simple troubleshooting tips in a friendly, step-by-step way. Gather ingredients before you begin so the process moves smoothly. Use full-fat coconut milk as your base and choose a thickener such as tapioca starch, agar, or cornstarch if you want a firmer set. A vegan starter culture or probiotic capsules provide the live cultures needed for fermentation. Optional sweeteners or vanilla can be added after culturing to preserve culture activity. Keep everything clean and pre-measured for best results and confident timing. Heat coconut milk gently and whisk in your chosen thickener until fully dissolved, then cool until warm to the touch before adding the starter. Stir in the vegan culture thoroughly, pour into sanitized jars, and keep at a steady warm temperature for 6 to 12 hours depending on desired tang. Once fermented, refrigerate to thicken and mellow the flavor. I will explain temperature control and texture tweaks so you get consistent, tasty results every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.